Okay, ready? Bakit siya? Bakit? Bakit kita? Hintay na. Stick to.
Walang pintana.
Wala na ba sasabi?
Wala na, hindi na kasi.
Magkano sa akin? Alright, ready? Ready? Bahay! Pinto ng bahay! Pinto ng bahay! Ate Beck! Pinto ng bahay! Okay. Practice on the level, ha? Okay na. Pinto! Pinto ng bahay!
Tingnan lang yun, ha? Final.
Wala na. Wala yung magkakamali. Okay. Ready, set. Bahay! Kapit-bahay! Pinto ng kapit... I said kapit-bahay. Last one. Last one. Bahay! Alright! Bintana ng bahay! Out!
Di ako na rin ako.
Yes! Hindi na ako naman nakatayo sa bahay.
Bahay, di ba? Pinto ay...
Bintana!
Na-eliminate agad kami.
Next!
Practice, practice.
Yeah, yeah.
Dito na! Hindi na kami tatapos. First na. Alright. Pinto ng kapitbahay. Pinto ng bahay. Bintana ng bahay. Kapitbahay. Bahay. Bintana ng bahay. Bintana ng bahay. Bintana ng bahay.
Excited ka naman eh.
Alright. Bye. Kapitbahay. Pinto ng kapitbahay. Pinto ng kapitbahay. Pinto. Pinto! Pinto! Ito pa rin. Pinto ng bahay. Pinto ng bahay. Pinto ng kapitbahay. Bintana ng kapitbahay. Out! Out!
Yan naman ang tinatulungan mo. Ay, nabudol tayo.
Mamaya. Prices. Wala ng prices. Prices ng kapitbahay. Batan. 197.
Laban, laban.
Alright. Lalo practice. Bahay. 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 Bahay.
Bahay! Kasi pinag-usapan namin yung patan na libre doon.
Pinto ng kapitbahay. Bintana ng kapitbahay. Bintana ng bahay. Kapitbahay.
Balik lahat.
Balik ulit.
Isang game pa lang to. Isang game pa lang. Wala namang mic. O, di ba ito na lahat?
Alright, bahay. Kapitbahay. Pinto ng kapitbahay. Pinto ng kapitbahay. Bintana ng kapitbahay. Bintana ng bahay. Bintana ng bahay. Pinto ng bahay. Pinto ng bahay. Mali na ka lang bahawon.
Ay, hindi ako.
May sound. Para malibay na may sound. Good sound.
Earth Day 1 yan?
Earth Day. Wrong.
Di wrong ka din.
I will give you an answer. Okay? Timer. Who will be the first
Ayun,
one?
diyan
Yung
kayo
sino
muna.
matapang dyan?
Kayo na kami. Yan, ate. Para sample.
Ayun ang tibisan!
Sample lang
Yan!
sa amin.
Saan kami?
Pakiulit ka ulit instructions.
Kailangan nyo ha, kailangan pabilisan, may timer tayo, okay?
Teka, anong category?
Walang kategory, any
General,
ate. This is your word. Okay, wait. Timer start now.
Dito ang video, hindi
There's
dyan.
timer.
Pangit.
Charger. Stop. 18 seconds. Charger. Without ano mo, ayusin mo, Bri, ha? Huwag magdidikit ang lips.
Sige ako, go na.
Timer starts now.
Signature.
Signature!
Di mo naman, di naman, di mo
Ayun na.
One second. Magdidikit ang lips, ha? Lips na pala, hindi pag-dikit. Wala kang like that, ha? Without moving your tongue also.
Mga kasama sabi niyo mahula ako.
Yun dalawa. Sige mo sa camera. Kailangan makikita. Wala ng pag-asa. Alin dyan? This one. The first
Yun kailangan natin ng back.
Timer.
Kanad? Kanad Hospital? Okay.
Timer starts now.
Sali kayo dito. Or. Ayoko na ulitin.
Oscar? Ano?
Postcard.
Postcard! Umaandar ko, Ora. Ayun, talo na tayo. May 4 seconds. Ano ba yan? Ulit. Ang hinina. Isa pa.
Or.
Marker.
Word.
Ayun. Tama. Very good.
Okay, stop.
Ano yun? Katagal 30
Marker.
seconds.
37. Marker. Ang hinina ng mga kasama ko. Archer.
Yung back niyo, preview.
Yung back niyo ba?
Washing machine na daw. Simple word nga lang na gano'n. Ito ate.
Ay, gumagalaw ako.
Okay,
Lahat sa'yo eh.
This one.
Sabi naman hindi mag...
Timer without
Mainit.
moving the lips, moving the tongue and dikit the lips, okay?
Lods, kayang-kaya mo yan.
Timer starts now.
Ticket!
Isa yun eh. Ano daw? Parang manalo na itong ato yung first.
Washing machine! Bago na washing machine!
Basta mag-ka.
Walang dayan,
Ah,
mami,
tapos magkakaroon
anes.
tayo.
Pa, magka-hituan naman.
Tayo, ate.
Paano?
Ate.
Josh, sinabi ko lang ako.
Yan, yan ka sumalit,
I-mix mo na, mix. Ay, dapat hindi makita. Oy.
Oo, magaya ka pa.
Kasi kaliwa! Ha? Ah!
Saan ka naman?
Ah! Papunta sa akin. Ay, may baga dyan sa likod.
Yobo! Umimik ka nga!
Dalaga.
Sino ka ba natin?
Ang ano kasi,
Try ka sabi mo ulam.
Oh, shit.
Try mo ulam.
Asa na si Mel? Sa may ano ka?
Ulam.
Siya.
May ulam.
Ay, walang dalaga.
Hands down. Hands down. In your back. Okay. Oh, para hindi ka magkahipuan.
Walang house.
Words lang ha, words. Okay,
Dapat
sounds
wala
lang.
magsasalita.
Sounds lang nyo ha.
Magsasalita.
Hanapin nyo ang partner nyo ha.
Magkakaharap pa ka, magkakaharap.
Oo. Oh, no more talking. Only
Ano pa yan, Che?
Ready? Sama na, Chi. Set, go!
Ano pala eh? Kita na lang eh. Kaya nga parang kita.
Hindi kita.
Madali na namin si Archie gawa ng pabaho niya.
Wala maingay.
Ate
Kailangan marinig namin yung sounds.
dapat nakaganyan sila. Nakaisang ganun ko para mas...
Ikot-ikot!
Konting ikot.
Ikot muna kayo!
Kung magsasalita, naririnig na kayo ng partner niyo.
Okay, okay.
Ang layo naman ni Archie.
Quiet. Ready? Sounds only how na maingay. Go!
Ay, pa nakapa ako. Layo ka kasi. Na-out na kami.
Final na, where is the final? Final na, tuha mo na. Malaki ang premyo.
Yun! Malaki.
Ligo.
Lobo!
Ano nga? Walang yoke. No talking. Walang dayan. Walang dayan. Again, make your sounds.
This one. I can think of another nice one. Look, I will say. Look, I will say. Okay.
What are you gonna say?
Happy birthday!
Jada.
Happy birthday, Dada! Can you open this, please, Mom?
Ako, Chinchin. Chinchin.
Jada. Chinchin lang po to.
Chin, say happy birthday, Jada.
Happy Dada. Happy birthday, Dada. Oh, they look, he's nice asleep.
Yeah. It's doing good. What's that?
Kahit picture lang.
Flower.
Flower. Wow.
Mine is a butterfly.
Here is a butterfly, Macy. Wow, so pretty. Do you have a pattern? Maybe there's a pattern. No pattern?
What is that?
Be careful. Your ball pen, huy. Be careful. Kala, hindi ko na-picture ng aking address. Address ko sa New Zealand.
It's for us.
Be careful.
Cool on me.
This mine?
No. 6 dirham lang yan. Belt bag.
Look, nice. What is this?
6 dirham.
Oh,
Oh, look at mine. I like it.
You like it?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
6 dirham yan actually.
Because I can put it on my belt.
Yeah. Sino reaction mo kukunin ko?
How to tie it up?
Jada, no need that one, only the upper. Don't need that one that is the back. Only that one, yeah.
This is the
You make it upside down. No. Just make it open.
How to make it tight? Oh my god, the is here. Go like this.
Nothing.
Like this.
It's a belt bag. Oh, Jada, you make it, rumble na. Mommy hug here na. She make it upside down. Keep na. Pwede pala ako bumili sa ganyan ng na 6 dirham lang. Para yalo.
Maganda siya.
Ganda nga. I never thought.
it's cause you. It's cool on me. It's a chemical on me. What are you doing?
You will be the model. It's okay, Jaden? Ate will put makeup to your face. You want to play with her, no? You want to see what is this?
What's this one, Jaden? I'll get off.
Wait, no need to put
Oh.
use your feet.
Don't. Jaden.
Jaden!
That is ate gift. Uy.
It's yours.
Wait,
Stop it.
you wait. Wow. You put that thing. You're the gift also?
Yeah.
Oh, careful. Yeah, careful. You can have a necklace. Yeah, I should this one.
Show to daddy. That like the
Bye-bye.
thing. Like this and like this and like this.
Yeah, that's all.
I have to open the bag.
Wait a minute. Don't spill it.
No, I will go to the box. I will stay here.
Ah, there is a thing.
You need to open door.
Careful, don't be clumsy, okay? Don't break it.
How do you do?
Bakit nilalagyan niya? Plastic talaga.
Maybe refillable siya.
How?
Oh my God, nadurog ko na agad siya. Yeah, Jada.
You hurt my knee.
I did not. Oh, you don't touch it.
Let mommy do it. Let mommy do it, Jada. Let mommy do it because it's falling down.
It's spilling, guys.
It's mine.
Utoy, that is for girl.
No,
Jaden, don't your
Uy, masisira na.
I will buy you makeup also on your
Jada,
birthday.
let mommy do it for you. Mommy will do it.
Hi.
It's okay. Mommy will open first.
Jaden, you want makeup?
I'll
On your
make
birthday?
up you.
Actually, nakasabit siya dito, oh.
I make up Utoy.
Oh, ate will make up for you. She will do makeup for you.